Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, today we'll be looking at the Google Pixel Buds second generation. Let's get into it. It has an improved design that really does not stick out of your ears and hide really well. They have really built this well, minimalistic design. It comes with wireless and USB-C charging. It's also sweat-proof with the IPX4. The touch controls work really well. I can easily say that they are the easiest and the best touch controls that I've used on earbuds. Hands-free Google Assistant means that you can call out to Google to check your messages, do stuff for you, make calls, etc, without you having to pull out your phone or press a button or do this or do that. Auto easy pairing on Android phones, where you just bring the device close to the Android phone and it appears on it. The sound is okay for me, it's good, I like it, but it's only good in quiet environments. I'll get into that a little bit further. It's got Bluetooth 5, meaning you've got great range, great quality without dropouts. This is my favorite feature as well. I experienced no dropouts at all for over 2 weeks of use. Using phone calls is pretty good on this device as well. It's not the best, but it is a lot better than other headphones, especially like the Apple's AirPods. The best feature that I found fascinating was Google's Live Language Translate. When you pair the headphones with the Google Translate app, these buds are able to translate heaps of languages in real time. What that means is all you have to say is, Google, help me speak Spanish, to launch the conversation mode in the app that lets you hear messages being directly translated through your Pixel Buds. Having said this, it is a disappointment that you have to actually use the Google Translate app to respond back to them. It would have been really nice to see something where if you spoke, the earbuds would repeat what you spoke in your language back to the language you want to be speaking in. Another downfall is that the feature only works with Android version 6 and higher phones. They do not work with an iPhone having the Google Translate app at all. Let's get into the cons. Very uncomfortable as they keep falling out. I have tried all 3 buds that come with it for a better fit, but I was still both uncomfortable and it kept falling out. On top of this, sound isolation is non-existent. It doesn't form a proper seal around the ears, thus letting in all the noise, which results in you turning up the volume really high just to be able to enjoy your music, which leaves your ears to be damaged. Battery life is nothing too impressive either. It didn't impress me at all. No iOS app support at all, so you can't play around with any of the features. I think you might be looking at Sony and Bose. They have support for Android and iOS. No support for Assistant on iOS either. This means you can't use the live language features, of course, and you can't even call out to Hey Siri. It's expensive. It's nearly $100 more expensive than the AirPods. I don't know why. They do not offer noise cancellation nor noise isolation. When it comes to audio, they only support AAC with no APX. When it comes to audio, they only support AAC with no aptX support. Verdict time. While their designs is a lot better, especially when compared to the Bose Sports Free and the AirPods, they leave you disappointed with the overall experience. They let you down in the comfort department, in the sound department, in the battery department, in the compatibility department, etc., which are deal breakers for me. I would suggest to wait around for the Sony. They might be updating their earbuds very soon. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.